Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can write a review on an item in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app and go to an item where you would like to write a review. Then scroll down to almost the bottom. Here you will see the reviews, and here you will have this button, add a new review. Tap on it. You have to add the star, how much you would like to. Just tap on 3, 4, 5 stars. Write your opinion. Title if you would like to. Here you will have some suggestions. You can add a photo by tapping on it. Allow your device to your photos. You can make a picture now, or you can choose from your gallery by tapping on them, and then on the top right corner tap on publish. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.